let me show you some useful things that you can 3D print. I'm convinced that phone manufacturers designed phones specifically to be dropped on your face while you're scrolling in bed. Maybe it's a tactic for avoiding infinite sleepless scrolling nights. However, there are some people who invented face protectors for a dropped phone when using in bed. But I have better and easier idea for this problem. Before showing it, let's be clear on this. I'm against for being a scrollaholic and wasting time. I'm showing it for people who read books at night and watch useful content on their phone. Introducing BedEase by designer with the name Super Geometry from Maker World community. It makes consuming content in your bed easier. You know the problem when using phone in your bed. Or if you lie down on your side, the phone angle is never correct for your eyes. It always seems wrong orientation for you. This model holds your phone at correct angle, assuming your pillow height as well. It is always 30 degrees horizontally and 60 from vertical perspective. It's fully 3D printable models that you can print with one build plate. You can easily grab your phone with special holes, even charge it when you're watching a video. He made the design with different sizes so you can print the suitable one for your phone. Even there is a version for tablets. I printed one for mine as well. It has been working flawlessly. Just grab the file from Maker World and print yours today. I believe it will be ready till your next bedtime. I've printed many organizers before for different small items, but I think this Ferris wheel organizer can hold my different size of screws so well. It is inspired by Ferris wheel design and it stores your small items. Print takes several hours and you can assemble as I show it in this video. Oops, we've broken this rotating knob. Never mind, I'll print it again. Just pour your small belongings and you're good to go. Rotating bins make easy for you to find and get your items. It is always accessible and visible. As I said in old videos, I hate having many things on my desk. Even I hate when I see pen or pencil on it. If you also type of person like me, just print this on the monitor pen holder by Jasper Pop. It takes about a couple of hours and about 70 grams of filament to print. Assembling is pretty simple, just screw the bolts and insert the ball joint heads. It will adapt to your monitor shape, even it's not a flat in the back. Wow, look how you can store your desk tools in a minimal way without messing up your desk surface by just using this 3D printable under monitor tool holder. As we mainly use 3D printers, I use mini Dremel and various bits very often to sand and smooth our prints. But it's always a problem to store them properly. I still store them in this container. You can see it's a time-consuming thing when it comes to find an appropriate bit for your current task. So I tried printing this Dremel Bit Organizer with special drawer. I hope it will solve my messy problem. This design is not small, it requires several hours of print, so be prepared for long hours of printer noise. But my FlashForge printers did the job so nicely and quietly, as they don't make loud noises. By the way, let me tell my big special thanks to FlashForge for providing me these super cool two printers, Adventurer 5M and 5M Pro. I love these printers so much because they're user-friendly and packed with smart features. With speeds up to 600 mm per second, they deliver fast and precise prints without sacrificing quality. Its CorexY structure with metal components offers high rigidity, which helps reduce errors caused by vibration or mechanical shifts during printing. Setup is effortless with fully automatic bed leveling and input shaping calibration. The 5M Pro adds an enclosed chamber, air filtration and auxiliary side fan, making it ideal for professionals. Air filtration has dual-layer HEPA and carbon filters blocks 99% of particles and VOCs, ensuring a safer environment, ideal for advanced filament printing. With closed chamber it can maintain warmer while filtering the air at the same time. Despite not having enclosure, Adventurer 5M is dedicated for customization lovers. Open frame of 5M allows you to make and install your own 3D printable enclosure with special designs, so you can tweak your printer in the way you love. They both have FlashForge self-developed extruder vibration suppression algorithm. Vibrations while high-speed printing can be automatically compensated. thus reduced ringing in prints. While having enhanced flow and faster cooling efficiency, FlashForge has multiple nozzle options ranging from 0.25 up to 0.8 mm sizes, so you can quick swap them depending on your project. Not only that, but they have remote unified control platform using FlashMaker, which is great for print farms for optimized workflow while ensuring each printer operates at peak efficiency. I have used these two prints for almost all prints in this video, and you can see their quality by designs that I'm presenting to you, and I'm using them for upcoming robotic arm project as well. Especially I love Adventurer 5M Pro as it handles great while printing advanced filaments for our robotic arm project. I'll put links to buy those printers in video description. Okay, printing is done. It's printed almost without supports. We just gotta clean some parts. Now assemble it according to my moves. It has stackable drawer option as well. You can put as many drawers as you want. Now, we can start placing our small Dremel bits one by one. It could store all of my bits, but I couldn't find a place to fit my Dremel itself. So I printed one more empty drawer, add it to the stack, now it fits. With this organizer, it's easier to search and find the required Dremel bit faster, and it has sleek looking design. If you have more than half kilos of filament, I would advise you to print one. When you live in a small room, or move to a new apartment, or maybe traveling a lot, I believe you won't have a proper place to hang your clothes. I found this streamlined coat hook design by Frey. This hook allows you to put not 3, not 5, but up to 7 clothes at once. And you can place the hook itself to the door of your room. He provided the designers with several door sizes. Make sure to measure your door width and print the suitable one. I chose the one with 40 mm and printed with ABS filament on FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro easily. Now just attach the hook to your desired door and you can hook your clothes to this awesome design. It looks unusual, tidy and takes tiny space to hook 7 clothes at once. I love this functional design so much and would recommend you to print one as soon as possible. When you grow old or have any limited mobility, it's always hard to put on your shoes. This quick slip shoe horn by Stage 3D will solve this problem with so simple solution. This model takes about 2 hours to print. He suggests to print with PETG or more strong filament for more flexibility and strength. Simply get it out of the printer and push into place on the rear of your shoe. Then push your foot in. That's all. It has clip-on design preventing going away when you slide your foot. This eliminates the need to bend over excessively. You just need to make to clip these horns in your shoes your daily task, and you will have a perfect start for your day. If you also do sanding sometimes but don't have a special desk for your sanding tasks, you also can use this portable and vacuum attachable dust collector. It's so simple to print and use. It has different hole sizes depending on your vacuum nozzle size. Just measure your vacuum tube and print the suitable one and attach it to your vacuum, and you can start sanding. It sucks your sanded dust and debris, keeping your work desk cleaner while sanding. In this photo by designer, you can see the difference with and without dust collector after sanding. Useful and perfect for those who sand sometimes. Are you also a sneakerhead who loves to have many sneakers but have less space to store? This shoe organizer by Measure Once Cut Twice will solve this storage problem. Measure once, cut twice? Oh, I think something is wrong with this statement. Okay, never mind. It takes about 100 grams of your filament and about 2 hours to print single piece of organizer. I printed 2 sets so I can show you the problem better. This shoe rack allows you to optimize the limited space available to you while keeping your shoes together in pairs. You can see this space couldn't store 2 pairs, but with this design you can put up to 4 pairs in the same place. Tap on the back helps you to easily pull an individual pair of shoes out without messing up the other pairs. Its main benefit isn't that it just organizes erases them, it isolates them and prevents the bottom of your shoes from touching the top of your other shoe, keeping them from getting dirty. Hey some sneakerheads, I believe you will need tons of filaments to store your sneakers. I'll put some links to buy great filaments for you in the video description. As my job is related directly to electronics and programming, I often use multimeters. But you know the pain on your fingers while measuring with multimeter for a long time, and sometimes you have to use it with one hand, which is impossible with current multimeter probes. In this condition, these multimeter probe tweezers will come to the stage. These single-handed multimeter probe tweezers are simple yet innovative accessory designed to make your electrical testing tasks easier, faster and more efficient. These handy clips attach securely to your multimeter probes, allowing you to use your multimeter with just one hand. The model I printed at first wasn't suitable for my multimeter probes, so I had to scale up the model for some percentage and print again. So make sure to measure your probe diameter before printing. Hope you will love this handy and 3D printable tool. I love 3D printers when it comes to make gifts for my family and friends. They give you so much flexibility and freedom for gift ideas. For example, this jewelry holder hand with special tray. It's an unusual and organic design that I believe your mom or wife will love. So I printed one at first to see how it shines on my hand. Print requires you to use plenty of supports as it's an organic model. This print came out so perfect. Let's make it more shiny with some jewelry. You can see it's an absolutely creative idea for women to store their expensive stuff, and it will look like an art on their desk. I loved it so much, so I printed 2 more pieces. So one is for my mom, second one is for my mom-in-law, and the third one is for my wife. I am so curious to see their reaction for this gift. I love printing custom lamps when it comes to owning a 3D printer. I've done several cool lamps with my printers before. When I saw this design by 3Dnetic, I knew this must be one of the best background decoration lamp for my videos. So I tried printing it. This lamp is modular, meaning you can print as many hands as you want. At first I tried printing 2 hands, but I thought it would be cooler to print more, so I printed 2 more hands. Now our molecular lamp will have 4 hands, resulting we need 9 lamp bulbs overall. Oh, this project is costing so high, because I spent more than 100 grams of filament for lamp itself. Okay, whatever. We should insert the bulb sockets at first, but I couldn't find suitable sockets for this design. That's why we made a socket adapter and printed 9 pieces again. Now, watch and enjoy by this build montage. Oh, lamp is ready now. I'm curious if anything goes wrong or not. Let's check it. Wow, look how futuristic this lamp looks. I hope you'll see this lamp a lot in my videos as a background decoration. That's the last 3D model for this video. I hope you liked at least one model from my picks. Please do share your prints to my Instagram page. I'll see you in the next videos, inshallah.